Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cadence app. First, download the app from your device's app store and create a free account. Once registered, connect your preferred fitness tracker or smart device. This ensures all your activity data, like steps and heart rate, syncs automatically. The app supports a wide range of popular devices, making setup quick and easy for most users. You'll be ready to track your progress in just a few moments. Now let's set up an activity. From the main dashboard, tap the plus icon or Start Activity button. Choose your activity type, whether it's running, cycling, or a gym workout. You can then customize your goals, perhaps aiming for a 5-kilometer run or a 30-minute session. The app allows for flexible goal setting to match your fitness level. Double-check your selections, and you are all set to begin your workout. During your activity, the Cadence app provides real-time tracking. You'll see key metrics like your current pace, total distance covered, and estimated calories burned displayed clearly. For an extra boost, the app offers optional audio cues notifying you of milestones or performance changes. If you need a break, simply pause your activity. When you are finished, tap End Activity to save your session data and review your results. After completing an activity, the Cadence app provides a comprehensive summary. You can review detailed statistics, including your average pace, elevation gain, and heart rate zones. The app also helps you analyze your performance trends over weeks or months, offering valuable insights into your fitness journey. This data helps you make informed decisions about future training. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.